In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your HubSpot dashboards. Setting up a dashboard in HubSpot is a powerful way to visualize your data and optimize your workflow. Let's start by accessing your HubSpot account, the first step in this process. Once you've logged in, locate and click on the Reporting tab in the main navigation menu, followed by the Dashboards option. This is your gateway to creating and managing dashboards. Now that you're on the Dashboards page, you'll see an option labeled Create Dashboard. Go ahead and click this to start building your dashboard from the ground up. HubSpot provides the convenience of choosing from pre-made templates tailored for specific functions like sales or marketing. These templates can save you time if they align with your needs. However, if you're looking for a more tailored approach, you can select a blank dashboard and construct it precisely to your specifications. With your new dashboard created, it's time to add and customize reports. Locate the Add Report button and click it to introduce a new report to your dashboard. This is a critical aspect of your dashboard, where you have the opportunity to select the type of report that best suits your data visualization needs. Options include tables, charts, and funnels. Once you've chosen your report type, dive into configuring its settings. Consider the metrics you want to display, any filters that may need setting, and the date ranges you'd like to focus on. This configuration process is vital in ensuring that your reports convey the exact information you need. After the reports are added, don't hesitate to fine-tune them further. Resize them for better clarity, reorder them to improve flow, or remove any reports that may not meet your current needs. Customization is key here, as it enables the dashboard to be an effective tool tailored to your goals and preferences. Perhaps you already have established dashboards that need some updating. No problem. Start by selecting the dashboard you wish to modify. This allows you to click on Actions for further customization options. Whether you wish to insert images, text, or video, these additions can enhance your dashboard by providing supplementary context or details. If some reports require adjustments, simply click on them to edit their settings or remove them altogether if they are no longer necessary. Through these steps, you've not only set up your HubSpot dashboard, but also customized it to best reflect your unique requirements. Whether starting anew or refining an existing setup, the power of HubSpot dashboards lies in their adaptability and the clarity they bring to your data insights. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!